All right, so I want to invite you on this journey that I'm going on. Um, First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ashley. I am a normal, regular human being, person, alien on this planet, in this realm. But enough about me. So, my channel is I would say, a non-conforming. I don't fit into any boxes. But on this particular journey and this particular path that we're going on, we are going to follow um, my becoming a day trader. Um, so I do have about 12 years of banking and finance experience. I've worked in banking. I've done everything from taxes to financial counseling, some investment here and there, but not much. No licenses or anything like that. So I'm not licensed, but I am experienced as far as banking is concerned. So I do have a little insight on how things work. So on this particular playlist or this journey or these YouTube series that I'm gonna start updating, it's just showing you my journey from start to finish. Right now, I'm only doing, small trades, keeping it light, keeping it easy, testing strategies, a lot of reading, a lot of reading. And I may even add some videos on here later about some of the books that I've been reading. I'm gonna do some reviews so that way you can kind of have a better understanding of what has kind of inspired me. But I will say I've started this dummies series, trading. Ooh, damn, it's upside down. Trading for dummies. I'm actually in the process of ordering the whole series, like all the books. Right now, this is one of three that I actually have in my possession. It's probably a total of, I don't know, maybe seven books total in the series that talks about day trading, options trading, swing trading, technical analysis. Well, this one's options trading. What else? There's a couple of different strategies. There's a couple of different books about how to get started, what to do, how to go about things. I've also been heavily inspired by several YouTubers. I'm not the best with names. And later on in this series, I'll kind of go over who inspired me. I might separate and break it down, like, okay, for this person inspired me, and this is what got me started, and this is who this person is, and that's how I'll eventually get into that. But for the time being, I'm only gonna just focus on how I got started, and I will update videos on just like some of my trades that I've been working on. I'll update, I'll post like my strategies, stuff that I've done, some of my charting. All of this it's not new, but it's definitely intense. It's definitely time consuming. And I don't expect to get rich, but I do expect to retire. That's the goal. The goal is retirement. One thing I've kind of accumulated from the conversations is, what is your goal? You got to excuse the TV in the background because I'm watching Bloomberg, because this is my CNN for me to stay updated on who's doing what's happening where. And just to basically collect all the information. Like, I have a lot of things going on. I don't have all the fancy setups yet. As I grow in this trading and in my investments and start being more profitable, I'll start to upgrade. Well, I wouldn't upgrade. I'm not going to get super fancy, but I will, add to my setup. Right now, it's just a laptop, a monitor, TV, phone, internet. That's it. Real simple. Real simple. Um, but I will upload a video. I'm going to attach a video to this. That actually is my first day. It's not really my first trade. It's my second trade. But I'm gonna attach a part to show you guys like just what it looks like as far as the trading, what software I use, um, and just kind of like letting you see my strategy. Once I close out of this trade, I'm trying to get to a certain dollar amount. Once I close out of this trade, I'll update like in the comments like what it traded out. If I can get a snapshot of it, I'll take a picture and attach that to this video as well. But just for introductory purposes, this is going to be a series of me documenting my growth in day trading, the information that I've obtained, all the information that I've learned, and just showing them the successes, and praying there's no failures. But I wouldn't equate the failures to being unsuccessful. I would just equate it to like lesson learned, so what not to do. I would say this: anybody who is starting out in day trading, read. read as much as you possibly can. You will come across a lot of courses, a lot of people selling you strategies on how to get rich quick. I would strongly recommend looking for a fast come up. Like, this is really a strategic, slow roll type of situation. You don't want to just get out there and lose all your money. Investments is always going to be tricky. And like I said, let me just put my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I am not licensed. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you about my experiences and what I'm doing. So with that said, my strategy is to be patient, is to learn as much as I can and practice my strategies, see what works for me, learn how to chart effectively, learn how to pay attention to what's going on in the news, learning how to read charts, and just being comfortable with being able to strategize in my process. And I'll go into it a little bit more in depth further on in the series as I kind of get things a little bit more organized. But this is just my introductory video, and I'll attach my Macy's trade. It's very short video, not too long, not too deep. I will just go ahead and say again that I do use TradingView for my actual charting and tracking of the markets and the stocks that I'm trading. I also use Finviz to as my stock screener to see who's doing what, how volatile some areas are, who's making a lot of noise. And I also use Webull as my brokerage. I also have a Vanguard account that I do for my mutual funds and EFTs and index funds. So there are a couple of different sites, and I'm not, what's the word? It's not what's the word I'm looking for? It's not an advertisement, or they're not sponsored. None of these, my videos are sponsored because I'm brand new to this. But this is just this is the software and the platforms that I use to do my trading. YouTube has always been my friend as far as studying, but for the most part, that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach my first day trade video. This is with Macy's, and there's a little commentary in here, so I'll probably repeat some things I've already told you as far as like what I use and what I look for and how I strategize. So I'm going to attach that video and just look forward to more videos coming in the future on how to day trade. And just follow me in this journey, and if I inspire you, then let me know, and then we can work together, we can grow together, we can learn together. So thank you for visiting. Hit subscribe so that way you can stay updated with any new posts, any new videos, anything new that I'm doing, okay?